Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Xero employee account. Guys, for this you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in Xero employee login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the right website www.xero.com. Click here. You will be taken to the new interface. Now at the top corner of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click over here. Now again you will be taken to the new interface. From here, you can access your account by logging in. Now just enter your email over here. Similarly, password over here. And once you click on login button, you will be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password. Then you will be recover your password. Or in case you are getting trouble of logging in, just click on can't log in. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.